Babe, I'd like to show you what your son does throughout the day. He's a very busy boy.
And me too.
Jarrett, look at how it's all the way. I'm about to step on some toys. And end. Aaron, did you do this? Oh, and you're still going. Aaron, did you do this? Did you line up all the cars?
Yeah.
Say, Daddy, look what I did.
Daddy, look what I did. It's more upstairs.
Jared, don't bring down more cars.
Where's it going?
You're a busy boy. Oh! Oh, sorry.
You got my card? You got my card? You got my card still?
Jared, you haven't gone upstairs to do your homework. Now go. It's already 4 o'clock. You've been home for an hour and a half. Go upstairs.
My
Homework
camera's
time.
not showing anything. I don't know what all those.
Oh, Mommy,
No, I mean when I want to take a picture, it doesn't.
That's weird.
My after dinner snack, I'm gonna go sandwiches for after dinner.
You have to ask Daddy. Are you fixing all your little cars? You're making sure they're all perfect? How many do you have?
Oh, there it is.
So this is what the house looks like before you come home. And you say I don't do anything all day long. Look at this.
Aaron!
Look at this.
Aaron!
And I'm working.
Look at Nanny.
See the file. Look at all that notes that I've taken today and done. And I also cleared up the Christmas stuff and put our pictures back. Kitchen's still a mess, but that'll be done by the time you get home too. Look at this. Look at this boy. This is what he does. What is that? Oh, and Buzz Lightyear to top it off, huh? He goes at the very end of the parade.
What'd you say?
Does he go at the end of the parade?
Yeah, I go in and wait.
Oh, right. Okay, say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Love you. Dude.
Why are you still down here?
Sorry.
That is one lazy kid.